Hello friend, many learners ask me, how can I practice English speaking alone? In this video, I'll share a simple daily method you can follow at home without fear. Part 1, change the mindset. First, understand one thing, you don't need perfect English to practice. Practice comes before confidence, not after. Short pause. Making mistakes means you are learning. Part 2, daily 10-minute practice method. Main part. Step 1, think in simple English. Example, say slowly. What am I doing now? I'm sitting. I'm watching this video. Encourage viewers. Use very simple sentence, that's enough. Step 2, speak aloud. Say, choose one topic, your day, your work, your routine. Speak aloud for 2-3 minutes. Don't worry about grammar. Pause. Your mouth learns by speaking, not by thinking. Step 3, listen and correct one mistake. Record your voice on your phone. Listen once. Correct only one mistake, not all mistakes. This reduces fear and builds confidence. Step 4, repeat daily. Say, do this daily for 10 minutes. Consistency is more important than duration. Part 3, common mistakes to avoid. Say calmly, don't compare with others. Don't stop because of mistakes. Don't wait for fluency to start speaking. Start first, fluency will follow. Friend, English speaking is a journey. Walk slowly but walk daily. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Premlata Speaks English. Thanks for being with me and paying attention. Bye bye friends.